Prime Minister Narendra Modi, with regard to his visit to Saudi Arabia, has spoken to an Arab News portal and has said in that interview praising the ties with Saudi Arabia. Ahead of the visit, Prime Minister Modi has said that the Saudi Arabia is a strategic ally for India. This is very important. Some of the words he's mentioned, and I want to quote it here. Prime Minister Modi has praised the limitless potential of India's growing ties with Saudi Arabia as he arrives in Jeddah. It will be a two-day visit to the kingdom since 2016. In an exclusive interview with Arab News, he's described the kingdom, and I quote him here, a trusted friend and a strategic ally. Bilateral relations had expanded significantly since 2019, and especially after the Strategic Partnership Council. In fact, Prime Minister Modi has gone ahead to call Saudi Arabia as one of India's most valued partners, a trusted friend and an ally. This is big news coming in, remember, because diverse countries, both Saudi Arabia and India, but in the past few years, especially with regard to Prime Minister Modi's tenure, we've seen how the kingdom and the democratic nation have come together to forge an alliance.
In the last few years, we organized the naval exercises, we all organized the land forces exercises, and we are looking at another edition of the naval exercises shortly. And definitely the defense cooperation will be a part of the agenda, and I expect that our defense partnership will certainly get impetus during this visit.
बहुत महत्वपूर्ण यात्रा है और इसके कई इम्पोर्टेंट इश्यूज भी होंगे, उसके कई मायने भी रखता है अपने आप में, क्योंकि सऊदी अरब तीसरी बार प्रधानमंत्री जी जा रहे हैं और वहाँ के जो हेड हैं प्रिंस सलमान, वो भी हिंदुस्तान के बाद तशरीफ लाए हैं। मैं इसको यही कहूँगा कि जितने दुनिया के मुल्क हैं, ख़ास तौर से मौजूदा दौर में इस्लामिक मुल्क जितने भी हैं, उनका जो मोदी जी के प्रति सम्मान और विश्वास बढ़ा है, वो अपने आप में इस बात का प्रतीक है कि मोदी जी किस तरीके से देश की एक लीडरशिप कर रहे हैं और भारत को किस तरीके से आगे लेके जा रहे हैं। तो उनका सम्मान मुल्क अदर कंट्रीज के साथ साथ स्पेशली मुस्लिम कंट्रीज में जो बढ़ा है, वो सराहनीय है।
India Today's managing editor Gaurav Sawant joins me this morning. Gaurav, a very important visit clearly. I'm also looking at the geopolitical tensions right now and how India wants to go ahead with Saudi Arabia. But also let's look at the diversity. Such diverse country, a democratic Hindu majority nation and clearly an Islamic kingdom. But how they've managed to forge an alliance in the past few years.
In the past decade, the relationship has taken altogether a new trajectory. Of course, India and Saudi Arabia have been civilizational partners. The ties date back to the Indus Valley civilization, and that is the relationship that Prime Minister Narendra Modi and Crown Prince and Prime Minister Mohammed bin Salman want to take forward to the next level. This time when Prime Minister Narendra Modi visits Saudi Arabia starting today, a two-day visit, there are several aspects that are key. Remember, Saudi Arabia has pledged over $100 billion investment in India. How do you take that investment on ground, and how do you speed up that investment is one core area of cooperation. Maritime cooperation or defense cooperation is something that both India and Saudi Arabia are working towards very, very extensively. What's also equally significant is, remember, during India's G20 presidency, the conversation was all about IMEC, India, Middle East, Europe Economic Corridor, which promises to be a game changer when it comes to global trade, communications and link-ups from India to the United Arab Emirates, to Saudi Arabia, to Israel, to Europe, and then from there on to the United States of America. So this truly promises to be a game changer, and there would be a review of progress made or lack of it thereof, and what best can be done to speed it up. Then the Indian diaspora in Saudi Arabia, it's huge. Remittances from West Asia are huge. How do you ensure that Indians are better looked after? India-Saudi Arabia relationship, the entire effort is to ensure how do you take this relationship altogether to a new high.
That's a fair point. Eventually, it will be about the welfare of the Indians and how people-to-people bridge can be together. Also, tell me this, Gaurav, Saudi Arabia, to their credit as well, has modernized a lot over the past few years. They've also decided to come forth and merge with this larger world, not be in isolation. Tell us more on how that is a part of them developing better relationship with a country like India.
So, Crown Prince Mohammed bin Salman is seen as this visionary leader who's bringing about a lot of changes in Saudi Arabia. Initially, there was an attempt to target him, to vilify him, but he's withstood that. And his personal relationship with Prime Minister Narendra Modi, again, in these two countries, they're two very powerful leaders. Their personal bond is very strong. And if you look at the entire network of strong leaders currently, whether it's Prime Minister Narendra Modi in India, Crown Prince Mohammed bin Salman in Saudi Arabia, US President Donald Trump, Russian President Putin, some leadership in Europe, there's a lot of effort. And look at the stage during India's G20 presidency when IMEC was announced. So that is where you realize that India is playing a very, very crucial role with friends and partners. There are some reservations that some may have. It may take longer in some instances. Remember, IMEC would have been huge. The Israel-Hamas war, that's kind of held it back. How do you still steer it through and take it forward? So two powerful leaders, when they sit together, they work to ensure that their people are benefited. The reforms that are being carried out in Saudi Arabia, energy requirement, India's energy requirements are being addressed to a very large extent by Saudi Arabia. How do you ensure that that's also taken forward? There's energy security. In this war on terror, Indian Navy is playing a very critical role in ensuring that Red Sea corridor is kept free from being targeted by the Houthi rebels. That's where India plays a much bigger role. And see how India, we are stretching our sea legs in this entire area. Again, India plays a crucial role. United States plays a very crucial role. And Saudi Arabia has been a victim of Houthi terror in the past. Indian intelligence inputs have in the past helped, and in future it's expected that this cooperation will only be taken altogether to a new level. That's the effort that a relationship between India and Saudi Arabia is,
and also how
stage to be transformative.
Like you are saying, Saudi Arabia in itself has taken cognizance of extremism, not permitting extremist ideological groups to basically thrive and survive on the soil. That's also one of the big changes. Gaurav Sawant tracking the latest on the two-day visit of Prime Minister Modi to Jeddah, and will be meeting because it's on the invitation of Crown Prince. Gaurav, appreciate you joining us for the latest on that.